Hello guys and welcome to Crypto Dealers. My name is Andy and today we are going to talk about finance protocol. I look like I'm just coming from the beach because I just came from the beach. That's the reason why. And yeah, what is finance protocol? It's an auto compounding and auto staking protocol. There are already many of those out there. This one is right now on pre-sale. Okay, you can buy it in pre-sale. And it has the fixed APY of 907,032.14%. That's a lot. And it's no financial advice to invest in any of those projects, but if you have some money left that you are in the worst case also willing to lose, then you can diversify, or you could diversify in some of those projects, yeah? Because this one is on pre-sale, usually some projects, make like maybe 2x, 10x, whatever. You never know what happens, or maybe you also lose money. But if you are in the place that you can afford to lose some money, then you could give it a try anyway. Yeah. So this one, you get if you don't know how it works, you just buy the tokens, hold them in your wallet, and you get automatically the rewards. This one pays the rewards every single minute. Yeah. So every minute you get your rewards. And they're just coming in your wallet, so to say, okay? Let me show you. For example, they already have right now like 19.4K followers on Twitter, and on Telegram 20,970 members. So you can join the discussions there and make yourself get to know the people behind those projects. And there's a DeFi 3.0 multi-chain farming. They're going to support this. This should support the high rewards, because usually it's not very sustainable, like for 2 years or for a very long period of time, to pay out such high rewards without having anything else. Because who should pay the rewards? Yeah, there has to be a flow of money coming in those projects. Otherwise, how can they pay those rewards? Yeah, and there's also an NFT collection. Yeah, there's an NFT collection of 4,500 unique NFTs with different rewards. For example, you get BNB airdrops from 2% of sales volume. Okay, it's audited, and you earn 4%. You can earn 4% of trading volume paid in BUSD. And there's also a deflationary model. Why? Because 1% of trading volume is burned. Okay, so that's how the page looks like. I will put the link in the description. Sorry, my phone, but yeah, if you buy it, for example, the big advantage if you buy it right now, you don't pay the slippage. Yeah, if you buy in pre-sale, you don't pay the slippage. Usually, if you buy it, you pay 14%. If you sell it, 17%. Okay, and here you have it compared to other protocols. Yeah, what else do you want to show you? Here, if you want to buy it, you just click on the link here. It was a private sale. Yeah, then you click it, and then you can here minimum amount 1.5 BNB, maximum 50 BNB. You buy them here, and yeah, this is how the dashboard looks like. If you are familiar with some of those projects, this looks like some of the other projects. The dashboard like some other of those projects have. So you can see here your account, your calculator, and so on. And yeah, this is it actually. You can buy it like here. Here you have the white paper. I will also put the links in the description. If you want to know more about this project in detail, you can read all of this here. And yeah, so no financial advice, but maybe you like it and you would like to invest in such a project. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, put them in the comments, and see you.